Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It's Firan again from Jiangxi Jinshibao Mining Machinery Manufacturing Company. Today I would like to show you our shaking table workshop. Come with me. So firstly, you could see our labors. Come on. They are polishing and furnishing the tables. Take a look. This is our shaking table with around 1 to 2 ton per hour capacity. And here you could take a look at those tables. There are a great number of tables now because of the COVID-19. Most of them are stuck here that we can't send to our clients. So here you could see more molds. Different molds are to finish different tables for different size ranges, like from 2 millimeter to 200 mesh. That's what we do. Take a look. And the medium size shaker table, it's for like 300 or 400 kg per hour. We could see more tables here. Also, there are some parachutes which are prepared for a general from Egypt. That's it. Thank you.